I'm Dentist Rima from GuruNanda team. Today, I'm going to discuss what happens if you don't replace your missing tooth. If you don't replace a missing tooth, the consequences can extend beyond just the gap in your smile. The neighboring teeth can start to drift into the empty space left by the missing tooth. This shifting can lead to misalignment, bite problems, and difficulty with chewing. When a tooth is lost, the jawbone in that area starts to deteriorate because it's no longer being stimulated by tooth's root. Over time, this can cause your face to look sunken or aged. With fewer teeth, the remaining ones take on more of the chewing load. This extra pressure can wear them down faster and increases the risk of fractures or damage. A gap in your smile can create a breeding ground for plaque and bacteria, increasing your risk of gum diseases. Additionally, the imbalance can strain your jaw joint, potentially causing TMJ problems. Missing teeth can make speaking clearly more difficult and affect your confidence due to changes in your smile and facial appearance. A visible gap in your smile can impact your self-esteem and make you feel self-conscious about speaking or smiling. Replacing a missing tooth is about more than just aesthetics. It's about protecting your oral health, maintaining function, and preserving your confidence. Treatment options like dental implants, bridges, or dentures can restore your smile and prevent these long-term complications. A consultation with the dentist can help you choose the best option for your needs. Thank you.